Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at yourself from the side and noticed a hump on the back of your neck? Or maybe one of your friends or family members graciously pointed it out to you? Don't worry, you only need 5 minutes each day to fix this. In this video, we are going to show you the best home exercises to fix your hump on the back of your neck. All you have to do is perform these exercises regularly for just 5 minutes. Before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. So let's get started. Number 1. Side bends. The side bend will help decrease tightness in the sides of your neck. It will also help increase mobility in your neck. Tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear close to the shoulder. You may use your hand to pull your head further into the stretch. Hold 20 seconds, then bring your head back to the center, and then tilt it to the left, again holding 20 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each side. Now before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 2. Jumping jacks. This exercise is a great way to facilitate neck, back and shoulder pain management. To perform jumping jacks, stand with your feet together and your hands at sides. Raise your arms above your head while jumping your feet out to the sides. Immediately reverse the movement to jump back to the standing position. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Number 3. Arm circle. This exercise gets your blood circulation and blood flow to the shoulders, triceps, biceps and neck. Start in a high kneeling position or seated on a chair, with the head stacked directly above the shoulders and the arms resting by the sides. Palms facing in and thumb forward. Inhale, reach the left arm straight up to the ceiling and pause. Now exhale. Rotate the palm away from your body and continue to circle the arm until it is back down by the hip. Palm facing out and baby finger forward. Inhale and begin to reverse the circle, stretching the arm behind you and up to the ceiling. Pause. Exhale. Rotate the palm back to the body. Stretch the arm all the way forward and return it down by your side. Palm facing in. Do 3 to 5 reps per arm. Number 4. Back turns. This easy exercise reduces stiffness by keeping the connective fibers of ligaments and tendons flexible. Improved mobility through back exercise helps to prevent the connective fibers from tearing under stress, which in turn prevents injury and neck pain. Stand, feet shoulders width apart and arms on waist. Extend right arm and turn left. Recover, then repeat with left arm. Repeat these for 8 to 10 times. Number 5. Snow angels. This brings circulation and blood flow to the upper back, shoulders and neck and enables the body to restore itself by aligning the shoulder girdle and upper spine. It also reminds the neck of its healthiest relationship with gravity. To perform this, lay on the roller the long way so that your entire spine is supported from head to tailbone. Begin with your arms out to the side with palms up and chest expanded. Inhale deeply as you reach your arms up overhead slowly and with control, keeping them as close to the mat as possible and parallel to the floor. Exhale completely as you draw your arms back down by your hips and gently exhale the carbon dioxide out of your lungs. Repeat 8 times. Here we end up for today. And yes, there is another thing. For your convenience, we have created a new home workout special channel for keeping you fit. And we need your same love and support in this channel. So following the link in the description, please subscribe to our new channel and hit the notification bell. We promise you will get fit at home if you subscribe to our new channel. So why you are late? You can really fix your neck hump doing these exercises for just 5 minutes every day. Will you start doing these simple exercises from tomorrow? Which exercise out of these do you find the most effective? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.